Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening the Notes app and choosing the note you want to organize. Tap and type directly in the note. Start a tag with a hash symbol, for example, hash ideas. Once done, press return or continue typing. Notes recognizes the tag immediately. You can add several tags in one note to cross-reference items. Make sure to use consistent tag names and the slash convention like hash project slash phase to group related tags under one umbrella for easier retrieval later. Next, use the tags browser in the sidebar to view every tag you created. You tap any tag to filter and show only notes with that tag. You can also select multiple tags to intersect results. Once you have useful tag combinations, create a smart folder. Choose New Folder, then New Smart Folder, and pick tags that should auto-populate it. This keeps your workspace clean, so when you search or scan, the right notes appear without manual sorting. To finish, clean up and maintain your tags so the system stays useful. You can rename a tag from the tag list by long pressing it, then choose Rename to standardize spelling and capitalization. To merge duplicates, rename one tag to match the other, and Notes consolidates them. If tags fail to show up on another device, make sure iCloud Sync for Notes is enabled. If that doesn't help, toggle Notes off and on in iCloud or force restart the app to refresh the index.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.